Let's show you how to make a very, very simple Thai green curry. First, you start off 2 chicken fillets, season them. So oil in, straight in. So pan needs to be nice and hot. So we're just doing 1 onion. We have 1 stick of lemongrass, garlic and ginger. I'm using just half a green chilli. When we turn it, what we do then is we go in then with all this veg. Thai green curry paste. So a full tin of full fat coconut milk in, soy sauce, good dash of that. So the chicken will take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook in this sauce, and then you're just ready to serve up. I like to serve this with basmati rice, keep it simple. There you go, very, very simple Thai green curry using the best of Manor Farm chicken. Enjoy.